Hi, I'm Georgia and this is my fiance George. In May of 2023, we quit our jobs in the UK, packed up our things and booked flights to Southeast Asia to go travelling full time. Our first stop being Singapore.
We're here, made it through security. We're like 3 hours early for our flight now, even after coming through security, so we're going to have to go find something to do in Heathrow for the next 3 hours.
Mill about duty free.
Probably just going to sit in a pub, to be honest.
No. We could go find the Harry Potter shop.
That's true, yeah, let's go do that.
Yeah, something to do.
Yeah, especially right for our 13 and a half hour flight.
Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
For our morning meal after a night of zero sleep. What an appetizing, fully cooked breakfast.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling.
We got into Singapore about 5 o'clock last night, but we were both really tired and jet lagged, so we didn't really do much. We went down to Marina by the Bay, saw a light show there.
We did, it was really cool.
It was really cool. We were chilling by the bay, like on the decking, and slowly, like more and more people started to come and gather around where we were. And then around like 9 o'clock, we said, let's just go back to the hostel because we're so tired. And right as we left, this light show started. So yeah, we stuck around for that, but we nearly missed it. And then this morning, I don't know about you, I slept pretty terribly last night.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well at all.
Got up around 10, and then we came here to the Haw Par Villa, where they've got like dioramas and statues of...
Yeah, like Chinese myths and legends.
Yeah. It's
really
alright.
Interesting.
It is interesting. There's like a Hell's Museum here that we were hoping would be really cool, but it turns out it's quite expensive to get in, so we decided against it. So now we're going to go to... Where are we going?
The reservoir.
Oh, yeah.
So there should be some monkeys around there, so hopefully we'll get to see some of those.
And otherwise, just a really nice nature park.
Yeah. But it is hot. It's so hot.
We look really hot and humid in this.
I'm just sweaty. We didn't get to go and see the monkeys because it absolutely poured down. So instead we're going to Gardens by the Bay.
What is it?
Crocodile.
It's not a crocodile.
It is.
It's too small to be a crocodile.
Listen, it's a crocodile.
So this morning we're going to go to a hawker's centre over the road from the hostel we're staying at, because the lady that runs the hostel recommended it to us and said that it's a really good place to go and get food. And if you don't know, a hawker's centre is basically like an open air food market. Like there's loads of little shops where different people set up with different like cuisines and everything, and then a load of central tables in the middle where you just go and get yourself a table and then go and get the food or drink that you want and then go and sit there. And Singapore's like really famous for them, and they're fairly cheap, so that should be really cool. And then this afternoon, I think the plan is to then go to Sentosa Island. We're not too sure what's down there, but we know that there's like some bars and restaurants at Resorts World, and I think there's a little beach as well. So we're gonna go and check that out.
Sentosa Island, which is the southernmost point of continental Asia, and it can be classified as that because it's linked by a bridge. There are other islands around, but they don't count because they're not connected in any way.
We didn't really plan anything at Sentosa Island. We kind of just walked down there, like hoped to see something quite good, and the beach was nice and we had a drink and stuff, but yeah, we should have planned in advance. So now we're going to head to the Long Bar at the Raffles Hotel to go and try an original Singapore sling. My dad insisted that if we go to Singapore that we go to the Long Bar and bring him back a few coasters, so let's go.
I don't want to do anything. I feel weird.
We're leaving Singapore this morning, heading towards Indonesia, and hopefully gonna go and get some decent sleep. Going to sort this jet lag out.
Yeah.
We've been staying in the hostel for the last 3 nights, and each night we've probably only had like a few hours sleep each night. I think we look so tired in this.
They might charge me extra on the plane
Why?
for all the extra bags I've got.
That's so bad.
I know. We live in that.
So we're gonna go for our first like 5 days in Indonesia, in Bali. We're in an actual hotel, so we can go and close the curtains, go and get under the bed and have a proper decent sleep, hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah.